Hello, I am CA Dhananjay Gokhale. I know you all are aware about various options of Paste Special. This video we will be learning skip blanks option of Paste Special with an example. So over to my screen. So as you can see, these are the data balances for 2018-19, and in 1920 only three balances have changed. The rest of the balances are same. So I will show you a trick of how to copy paste the rest of the balances. So let's see. First, make a copy of last year balances. So Control C, Control V. Okay. Then select current year balances. Control C, and I will right click and use paste special and use this skip blank options. So as you can see, Excel has pasted only those cells where figures were written. Rest of the cells have not been copied. And then Control C, copy this thing and paste it here, and you can delete these figures. So we are done with it. So this is the illustration of how paste special with skip blank option works.